Welcome back. Now a lot of things, exciting things happening in the school. So you start seeing things start to get together. So you see how the school is going to be in the future, near future. Uh, Now we started with the mezzanine because we removed everything from the school inside, and we want to have like a mezzanine, like a bedroom on the top floor uh, with toilet and shower, and we have another toilet down in the kitchen, and it's all open space. It will be very nice. I like it like this. You have one open space, one bedroom in this whole building, and we will have another bedroom outside. This will be later. We will show it to you. But now, the work of the mezzanine, the H beam, how we build the mezzanine. In Portugal in the summer, it's really hot, especially in the Alentejo area, but also in the winter it's freezing, maybe for 5 months or 4 months. So we decided to have heated floor. In order to do that, we need to remove the old floor that we have, put the tubes for the heated floor and the system, and then after that we'll have the concrete again. But the concrete is really, it's special for to keep the heat, so it's not any concrete. You can put it on the tubes. And yeah, we had a nice system from Daikin. It's amazing and it's comfortable. After the heated floor done, we built the bathroom and the shower and the mezzanine. Uh, Also, we need the stair to go up, so it will be shown later on. Once the mezzanine and the toilets was built, we start working. I didn't want tiles, the normal tiles. We like the uh, micro cimento, as they call it in Portugal. It's all like concrete floor, but it's very nice. At the same time, it's very fragile. So I advise people, if they really want to do something like that, to finish everything so it won't be scratched. We used it inside the school and outside on the arcs and in the bedroom outside. Hope you like this episode. Please like, subscribe, so we can help our channel. And soon, I think another 2 episodes will reveal the beauty of the school. See you soon.